Hello everyone, I am Bharat and I have developed this simple game using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. This game is dedicated to players of age group 8 to 12 years. The user needs to choose the cards here and he can hit play to get the game started. And when the game is started, the timer will run. So he can choose a card, the color will be displayed, and when he chooses the next card, if it has the same color, this will stay and the score will be updated. If the card chosen is of different color, after 1 second that will flip back. So whenever he does match the card, then the score will be updated based on the time that is elapsed. So he can also reset the game or he can go to finish the game. This takes to the different page where he can see his score and he can see the leaderboard. So when he wants to save the score or save his name, so he can type his name, player 1, and he can just simply save the that user. So and here the player will be saved, so you can return back to the game with that button click. Now I will show you how to reset the game. So if the game is going on, even if the score is 0 but the time will be running, right? So whenever he clicks on reset button, it will prompt for the message that whether to reset the game. If I click cancel, this will run as smooth as it is, and whenever I click on OK, the game will be reset and every deck cards will be cleared. So let me take you to the code snippets. I use one page for the main game structure. This is where the game cards will be displayed, and the second HTML view will take the user to the leaderboard, which has the scores as name and score. Then there are scripts which is used to control the backend logic, whether to clear the game whenever it is reset, or whether to finish submit the game if he is done playing the game. And there are these files will manage how to you know get the card on the game on the layout. So these are the simple logics I have used. I have also added few styles so that this is made more interesting. So that's all about the game, and he cannot finish when the game is empty, or he cannot play the game again when he's already playing a current game. So he need to either reset or submit the game. So whenever he's saving his thing and the saved successfully message will toast. I'm looking forward to improve this game by taking this to the next level, like in providing the game a user login system and to save his progress in the game. Also to provide a proper ranking system to rank them up based on the score. So thank you.